Hey gang, Jerry here. In today's video, we're going to show you how to reset the maintenance required soon light on your Toyota Tundra. This will work on Generation 2 vehicles from 2018 to 2021. And in order to do so, we're going to use these buttons right here to navigate left, right, up, and down. And then once you get the desired position, you'll press the center button to enter. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to toggle over to the gear icon that you can see in the top right corner. Then we're going to toggle down to the vehicle settings and hit the enter button, and then we're going to toggle down one more time to hit the maintenance reset, and we're going to toggle up to hit the yes, and maintenance reset is complete. We can hit the back arrow to get to the main menu again, and then just toggle back to your desired view on your cluster. And that's how easy it is. Please like and subscribe, and remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.